on my way to see 180 Classon. Here we are. We get everything, all the benefits of Myrtle Avenue, which is awesome. Next to this gas station. Let's go look. And find a place to walk like that. It's the dairy building. 180 Classon. And then the yellow doors are where the guy who I'm supposed to see is getting a lot of light. So this is the entranceway, and then it goes to the second floor here. He said to meet him in 5 minutes. Sorry. He said to like go back and meet him afterward. Oh, the apartment's over here? Oh, okay. Nope, apartment wasn't there. That is the event space. This is the outside, mailboxes, and then the package. If I order Amazon, where does it go? Like,
inside here.
Okie doke. So this is the apartment. So technically, I could get Danny Chen's bed frame and then use it here. And then, because I have my bed that has to go sideways, but this has dresser space already, which is nice. And then as a mirror, which is great. If I put my bed sideways, then I could put the rug right here. And that would kind of be like this open space. And then there's this here. And then there's like, couch is great. Cool. And there is like a full fridge. And then, yeah, everything's cool.
A walk-in closet.
Cool. Awesome. Okay.
Take your time, Steve.
Yeah. Bathroom. Awesome. Yeah. What's this? Is this for?
Yeah, you can read it.
Okay.
You have it like
It's a little messy, I believe.
I like the sign.
Yeah.
Lock the fucking
Safety,
door.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People, unfortunately, people come to the room.
Uh-huh.
You can like see, for
Yeah.
the pool, whatever. High drive, the barbecue,
Uh-huh.
Normal front, this Pratt University is right over there. There's a lot of students there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not really, is this? This is
La la la. So that would be my roof right there. I could have rooftop barbecue parties in the summertime. Hey. And there's so much like space to stop too. In terms of neighborhood amenities, there would be coffee, and then Mr. Coco's around here, and there's Pratt. So I can go like hang out at the campus. Oh yeah, and the post office was right back there. And also Fort Greene Park. And then City Point is not too far from here. I remember I got coffee with Da here. So the place that he likes is it's this thing in the corner, Callier. That's cool.